Some companies are built only on brick and mortar, while some are built on credibility, excellent quality, relentless hard work, teamwork, vision and good leadership. A company that stands out on all these qualities is Asahi Modi Materials Private Limited. An ISO 9001 certified company is involved in the manufacturing of resin-coated sand or shell sand using high-quality washed silica sand, artificial sand or Serra beads and solid phenolic resins for automotive and non-automotive original equipment manufacturers in the Indian and overseas market.
Modi Group was started by Rai Bahadur Gujarbal Modi in 1933 with the sugar factory in Modi Nagar. As the group philosophy, we have always tried to bring the best of the world in technology and partners. So we met with Asahi in 2012 and we realized that there was a very big gap in meeting the needs of the growing Indian automotive sector for making engines and other components. And we also learnt of the product called resin coated sand. We were already in the glass manufacturing business and understood sand. We jointly decided to put up a factory in Gujarat for making this material.
Asahi was established in 1945. We are headquartered in Nebioka and Tokyo with a capital of $65 million. Our current sales volume is $430 million, making Asahi Yukizai a market leader in Japan. The AMM plant is located in GIDC Jagadia, District Bharuch, Gujarat. And it is strategically located so that transporting raw materials and logistics doesn't become a challenge. The AMM plant is fully automated manufacturing plant imported from Japan, which aids them by offering clients and customers alike 100% tailor-made RCS solutions.
We have a total land area of about 27,000 square meter and a total built-up area of about 3,500 square meter, making us the largest manufacturer of resin-coated sand using solid phenolic resins in India. Speaking of our capabilities in terms of manufacturing, we currently have a manufacturing capacity of 5,500 tons a month, along with a stocking capacity of 1,200 tons within the premises. Apart from this, we also carry a huge experience of our parent company, Asahi Yukizai Corporation, who has been in the industry of supplying resin-coated sand in Japan for the past 60-65 years. They have about 700 formulations of RCS, about 250 types of different types of resins, which means that they have such a huge potential to solve a lot of defects and problems being faced in the industry.
But in today's day and age, foundries have been facing immense issues and problems with castings which need to be addressed with sincerity and urgency, such as unfilling, collapsibility, gas defects, surface finish, strength, wall thickness, veining, stable sand distribution. We tailor-make solutions that address their problems, from diagnosing the issue at hand to coming up with the best possible remedy. We at AMM are experts in our field and take great pride in saying so.
AMM でテクニカルアドバイザーをしています。AMM ではさまざまな機械を用いて受け入れ検査や砂の特性の確認をしています。RCS については、強度測定、融点測定、流度測定、その他に、イグロス、トランスバース、その他ビールバックなど他にも、それぞれ決められたお客様の規格内に入ったものを確認し、それに合格したものをお客様へ出荷しています。
At AMM, we bring to you the streamlined production process that meticulously breaks down the whole process of producing flawless and customizable products with its state-of-the-art technology. The whole process can be described in 4 steps: drying process, mixing, packing, and last but not the least, dispatch. AMM has introduced strong quality control, testing machines and test methods that are based on Japanese Industrial Standard or JIS and Japanese Association of Casting Technology. Thus, AMM can supply RCS that has accurate and stable quality. We preserve samples of each lot manufactured for a period of minimum 3 months to track quality, consistency and trends in future. To enable us to track all the lots produced and analyze immediately in case of any quality defect experienced at the end of customer. We have a dedicated R&D team and is under the full-time direct supervision of our Japanese technical advisor.
Dry hot RCS uses solid resin. Solid resin has many characters: high stretch, high curing, low expansion. If customer has burning issue, we can use low expansion type resin to RCS design.
AMM has an in-house recipe foundation and a strong team of R&D that facilitates to produce better quality and customization to meet the needs of the client and further improvement. For the smooth and undisruptive 24/7 functioning of the plant, AMM has an in-house maintenance team of engineers and technicians. Consultants and professionals from Japan and China keep on visiting the plant on a regular basis so that production and quality in the plant should not hamper.
Foundries need to know that it is just not a permutation and combination of resins up and down. It is basically to address all these problems, we have to find different solutions. And this is what makes AMM different. We do not give a product, we are solution providers.
Our AMM RCS technology has allowed us to contribute tremendously towards the industry by providing applications that have a major usage across the automotive industry. From cylinder block, cylinder head, camshaft, exhaust or intake manifold, turbine housing, disc brake or drum brake, caliper and differential casting. AMM has made a significant contribution with these applications, exploring and working towards many more such innovations.
Presently, the components or the product that resin coated sand we are selling is mainly being used for the higher end components in the automotive sector. But slowly we find that once people realize the benefits, they will use it both in the automotive and non-automotive, like agriculture, like components which go into the bathrooms and the construction industry.
What defines AMM? The 4 words that describe the work and culture of AMM are integrity, innovation, indomitable, industrious.
Asahi Modi invested around 30 odd crores for setting up a state-of-the-art facility for manufacturing of RCS in Jhagadia. Company is having good internal controls and is making timely payment to its vendors and the other stakeholders. Company is aiming to put 2-3 more facilities in India in time to come, with the aim that it will fund these facilities from its internal resources and wants to keep itself debt-free.
Keeping this sentiment alive, AMM is an environment-conscious and environment-friendly organization. Not only do they follow the industry and environmental norms, but they also do not generate hazardous waste which may harm the environment.
As we all know that sand comes from Mother Earth, and if not reused, it needs to be again going into the hazardous dumps. We plan that by 2022, 20 to maybe 30% of our sand is from reclamation. We also believe that a lot of effort will have to be done by us to educate the users, while the government is making all efforts in improving the environmental output coming from the factories.
humbly request all my existing clients and prospective users to please come and see the factory, see the processes we follow, see the processes we have, see the systems we have in place, and then determine and judge yourself why we are different.